we interviewed two families at the New York Raw, both business owners, family, and they are into fitness. So the one take that I got out of both of them is priority. You must prioritize however and whatever is important to you.
Commitment, and the key thing, since both of these businesses are couples, communication is key, it's essential.
So tune in tonight and you will see what we're talking about.
Every Monday, 7 p.m., subscribe, tune in.
Good afternoon, everyone. Lawrence McGuggins, a.k.a. Horse. I am here with Angela Jimenez, who is a trainer, a wife, a mother of two, as we could see. And not only is she a trainer, her and her husband, Joshua, own their own gym. So I'm going to ask her first 3 questions that we all want to know, and then I'll get a little bit specific on motherhood. And happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Okay. So one, when you hear the word fitness, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Lifestyle. You have to make it a 100% lifestyle. You have to find balance. It's also a career for me, so it's an everyday part of my life.
Awesome. How does being fit make you feel physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually?
Right now, I have a new different physically fit, but I'm trying to be a fit mom. I'm trying to still stay very active while 7 months pregnant, which is not the easiest because I have a 19-month-old, but we make it work. We go for a stroll when it's nice outside, and when she's taking a nap, I like to hit the treadmill. So you find ways to get that in.
Awesome, awesome. See, there is a will, where there's a will, there is a way, folks. And look, you have someone who's a perfect example that you can relate to, that is extremely busy at home, at work, and then taking care of her own well-being is very important. She needs to be around for her children, her husband, and her future grandchildren.
Oh boy. Let's not push it that way.
Right? So, and last, so I know you have clients of all age groups. When you deal with your older age groups, like the 50-year-olds and up, what is your approach to them?
Well, especially with women, at that age, your body's going through so much, especially with premenopause, menopause. So you have to deal with that first in order to find a routine for them.
Is there a cookie cutter way of dealing with each of those clients?
No cookie cutter way.
So therefore, you're paying the detail
Yes, you
personally.
have to pay attention and get detailed diet, routine, supplements.
Yes, good, awesome. So as you have heard from my friend that I've known for years, but a successful woman, a great mother, a great wife, and a businesswoman, I just want to thank you for taking the time.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Thank you for joining us at Ageless Fitness. Bye. Good afternoon, all. Lawrence McGuggins, a.k.a. from Ageless Fitness. Today, I have Leanna Buffin and Muffin, a company that does meal preps, but they also have delicious desserts. It's a husband and wife, Tony and Leanna. Welcome to our podcast. I'm going to make this quick and light. And they are parents of 2 young giants of a son.
Energetic boys.
Energetic, right? So first question, when you hear the word fitness, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
At this age, it's everything. Years ago, it was about muscle, staying active, working out. Now it's more of spiritually, emotionally, mentally. It's everything, not just physical.
Very good. Leanna?
I think that for everyone, so you can branch out into what does healthy mean to you and how does it make you feel?
How does being fit make you feel? Like you mentioned, you touched upon it physically, mentally, emotionally. How, when you go out for walks or you work out and, whatever it is that you engage in, how does that make you feel?
Honestly, I work out, especially at this age, more for mental focus, and I just feel better, not just body, mentally.
Mental clarity for the day to take care of 2 kids.
So how do you as a couple balance taking care of the children, home? Is the business your only thing that you do
This is our life. She does the bakery end of things. I do the meal prep food end of it. And we have to juggle it around. I have to sacrifice waking up super early if I want to go work out. Because right after that, she's got to go take the kids to school, get them ready, and then right in
I'm
between.
a mother first before the business. That comes first before anything. So
Awesome. Awesome. The other question I wanted to ask is, what has been the most difficult? Have you found any real challenges in that balancing act? If you were to share something and then you all figured it out, it was something that was challenging in the beginning, then through hard work and discipline, you figured it out and got over that hump. Is there one thing that could come to mind?
I mean, there's always a lot of difficulties running your own business. Day to day, something can pop up at all times. And for me, it's always been, you have to make that choice when something comes up in the business. You got to go take care of that, or do you want to go work out? That has always been mine.
Definitely.
It's like, before you go to bed, I have a million things that has to happen tomorrow, but I really want to work out. Then that's where you have to make that sacrifice. Do I go make sure the business is okay, or do I go work out? That's been the hardest part for me the past 15 years.
Awesome.
I think just being there for him when he goes through that is more of what I go through, because it's like, what do you say right and what do you say wrong at that point?
Right.
But it's a blessing, like you said.
Wow, awesome. See, people, we want to here at Ageless Fitness really touch you where you're at. No one is above anyone else. We want to recognize and touch everybody who is out here in the world that watches, that they can identify with this beautiful family and not find an excuse not to do, but to work together as a team to get what's important, and that's to be healthy and live a quality of life. So always remember, fitness is ageless. So we can begin at any point in our lives, no matter where you're at. So again, we want to thank you, Carlos and I, for joining us here at the New York Pro 2026 out here in Teaneck. We want to thank again Lianna and Tony and their beautiful young boys for taking the time to be on our podcast. Again, people, look for, excuse me one second, it is called Lianna's Buffin and Muffin.
And hummus fit.
And hummus fit.
Thank you for having us.
Turn around.
Ageless Fitness. This guy, how old is this guy, Carlos?
61.
61. Looks better than half the competitors here.
Yeah, really.
Thank you. Graciously. So, good afternoon. Not good afternoon. Goodbye, all.